Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. I am a Nigerian based in Ireland, and and at the moment I do cooking recipe, mukbang, vlogging and chit chat video in the odd time. And I have not done natural video for a while, but that is who I am. And thank you so much to all my new subscribers. Like, guys, we keep getting more and more subscribers every day, and I am so happy and so delighted. Thank you guys so much for supporting, for all your wonderful comment, all your support. I mean, like, this 2019 ended for me with a bang. I feel like my channel has reborn into something that I love, because honestly I love cooking. I cook all the time in my house, and I also love, enjoying my food just the way you guys love to watch me enjoy my food. I'm that kind of person that like to dig deep in my food and enjoy my food very well. I'm really happy the way my channel, will I say reborn, because my channel is kind of evolving into something else, and I'm so happy about it. I'm not sad that it's changing, because I'm still passionate about food. I am a proper foodie person, so I'm still passionate about it. So 2019 ended with a bang for me. I was not expecting this year to be the year, because I keep questioning when will be that year, but I wasn't expecting it to be the year, because it started off so bad but and it ended up with a wonderful, I mean, like, from September last 2019, let's call it last year anyway, from September last year, my channel started growing. Just under how many months? September, October, November, December. Like, my channel kind of, I gained half more subscribers than I had. So I gained more subscribers, and my channel kept growing. Around that time, around May, will I say, around June, July, I still have roughly about 5,000 and something subscribers, and all of a sudden it just shot up out of the blues, and I am so delighted. I'm so happy. Happy New Year once again to you guys, and I hope your year started off with a good positive vibe. Back to reality. We are back to work. I went back to work yesterday for the first time, because I've been off since 24th December, and I went back to work for the first time yesterday. I was like, oh my lord, this holiday is over. Back to work, back to life. We cannot have holiday forever. So guys, I'm happy to welcome you guys to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, okay? Subscribe and stay tuned, and press on that bell icon to notify you whenever I upload a new and wonderful video. So today's video is a simple native rice. Will I call it Igbo rice or Jollof native rice? I don't know the word for it, but it's that rice that you get when your mama said, I'm cooking jollof rice. She's not cooking jollof rice, she's cooking yabu jollof rice with palm oil. But it's good, it's tasty, it's yummy. I'm kind of craving it today, and I have not had it for a while. So let's do it, guys. Let's do it. I will take you over there and introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. So guys, this is our ingredients, and we have fresh tomato, because my mother always make this rice with fresh tomato, and we have red onions, we have curry and thyme, right? This is our salt. We have jollof chicken seasoning, but I always say this tastes more like chicken seasoning. We have crayfish, we have Maggi. This is the gizzard stock that I did the other day that I was doing the meat, the spicy meat, the gizzard stock. I left it. That is palm oil because we are cooking this rice with palm oil, and today we're not cooking with any meat. I still have loads of meat in my fridge, so I can use some of them when I'm eating the food. But yeah, we're cooking this with stock fish. I have soaked this stock fish now for like will I say an hour, but I'm gonna rinse this water out of it, and then I'm gonna start boiling it on its own first before I add it in the rice because I don't want it to be too hard. So over here we have our long grain easy cook rice, and I am going to start parboiling that rice because I normally parboil my rice first whenever I'm doing jollof rice or any rice cooking. I like to parboil my rice first, but if you don't like to parboil your rice first, then you don't have to do this one. So yeah, I'll put my stove on and I will get on parboiling the rice. So that is my rice. I have put in the stove on, and I am going to add hot water inside the rice. So guys, I have added hot water inside the rice. I'm going to allow it to parboil and then I'll rinse it out. So over there, my stock fish is now on the stove, and I am going to start boiling it as well. So guys, now I am going to take this rice out of the stove and I am going to rinse it out. So guys, I am done cutting my onions and tomato. It is time to add the oil, the red oil in the pot. So guys, I'm going to add my onions. So I allow the oil to heat up a bit and then I add my onions. You don't want your red oil to heat too much because then you're bleaching the oil. You don't want to bleach the oil. You just want it to heat up a little bit and then add your onions. So I'm going to stir and leave it to fry for about 2 minutes, and then I'll add my tomato. So now guys, I am going to add my tomato. So I'm going to give it a stir. Oh my god guys, the palm oil aroma is to die for. I love the smell of palm oil. I love to smell it. So yes, we're gonna allow this tomato to fry properly before we can start putting our rice. So guys, I'm going to add my pepper, my scotch bonnet. I just slice it. So I only added it's not even up to half. It's not even up to half of it because I want my kids to eat it, so I only added a little bit of it. So yeah, it's looking okay now. I'm going to fry it for another 5 more minutes and we'll start adding our seasoning. So guys, my total frying time of this tomato was about 10 to 15 minutes, right? And yes, I like how it is now. That's the way it is. Okay, I'm going to start adding my seasoning. So I'm going to add thyme. I'm going to add curry, my jollof chicken. I'm going to add crayfish. I'll mix that up. Okay, for now I will add my turkey gizzard stock because I want to add it first before I add the salt and Maggi, because I use 2 Maggi, if I'm not mistaken, 2 Maggi and salt to cook this. So I added stockfish and water. That's just another water. So now I'm going to get my my rice, and remember my stockfish has been parboiling since then. It has been parboiling in a low heat because you want to make your stockfish soft first before you use it to cook anything, or else it's not going to be soft when you finish cooking. So now guys, I'm going to add the rice. The rice is clean. Okay, that's the rice in there. And I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to add a little more water. Yeah, and I'm going to taste it. Now is the time for me to know, what kind of Maggi and salt do I need to add in it. There's nothing. There's no Maggi, there's no salt, there's no nothing, because I thought, the turkey gizzard, I thought because I cooked it with some salt and Maggi, but anyway, that's 3 Maggi. I'll add it inside it. We'll add salt. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of it first, and then I will try again. Now there is Maggi, there is salt. Okay, I might add a tiny bit of water. Okay, now I'm going to cover that and let it start cooking. Okay, so guys, this is after 10 minutes. I'm going to check it and see the water is still a little bit. I'm going to see if the rice is soft or if it's still hard. It's okay. Yeah, this water in it will cook it. So yes, it has a little bit of water in it. I'll give it another 5 more minutes and this is ready. So guys, after 5 minutes and our rice is ready, guys. It is so ready. Oh, guys, The aroma of this food reminds me of back home. Eh? Look at it. Look at how colorful it is. Let me taste it again. I'll taste it again. I'll take that out of the stove. Our food is ready. Oh, so guys, that is our rice. It is out of the stove and it is ready. I can't wait to dive in, guys. The aroma, this reminds me so much of my mother's cooking. So this is it. This is where we're going to end this video for today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed cooking it. Guys, I can't stop tasting it though. Somebody help me. This is still morning. Can't stop tasting it. What? Anyway, guys, this is where this recipe is going to end. So guys, this is where this recipe is going to end, and my kitchen smells so good. Like, I can't stop tasting that food. I really enjoyed making it. I woke up this morning craving of, palm oil rice. It's nothing special. It's just something simple put together, but tastes so good. It tastes so good. You need to give that recipe a try and let me know what you think about it. So guys, it's still morning but I'm tempted to eat that food right now, but it's still morning. I only had my porridge like 1 hour ago, so I'll give it another 2 hours and I will be having my rice. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.